24/7 TV. A powerful thunderstorm swept over New York City Monday afternoon, flooding a major highway and several train lines. A flash flood warning was in effect for Manhattan, the Bronx, and the surrounding region until 4:30 p.m. local time. According to the National Weather Service, officials closed the northbound lanes of the Major Deegan expressway at West 179th Street in the Bronx at about 4 p.m. because of flooding. The train subway line was closed between West 168th Street and West 207th Street because of water on the tracks. The Metro North commuter railroad system temporarily suspended trains on the Harlem and New Haven lines in and out of Grand Central Terminal. The Hudson Line has delays of up to 45 minutes. Water rescues were underway in parts of northeast New Jersey, the Weather Service said. Doppler radar indicated that between 1.5 inches and 3 inches of rain fell across the area, turning streets and gutters into rushing brooks. The Saddle River in Lodi, New Jersey, rose 3 feet in a matter of hours. Hohokus Brook, a tributary of the Saddle River in Hohokus, rose by more than a foot, according to the Weather Service.
George Washington Bridge is closed down due to flooding. Unpassable. Small cars will get stuck. Impassable, the George Washington Bridge. Until they clear up the drainage, nobody's going to get through. Traffic nightmare in Washington Heights due to the bridge. Before you get your ass up the road. Trucks could go by, but not no big cars. I mean, trucks could go by, but not no small cars at all.
En algún lado hay una inundación también porque no están pasando los carros de este lado. Aquí, de este carril, no están pasando los carros.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe my channel. It's Mike from 24/7 TV.